So what we are going to be making today is yellow rice, and to get the yellow color I'm using turmeric, and that's what this is right here. And so what I did was I cut about 1/4 of an onion and I sauteed it in this rice cooker. And so now, since it's done sauteing, we will be putting in the rice. And so I'm doubling this recipe since we have a big family. So I've got 2 cups of rice here instead of 1. So I'm going to pour that in here. And I'm going to stir this up a little bit, get the rice mixed, get the onions mixed in with the rice. So I kind of coat it because I've also got some olive oil on the bottom, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So once that's kind of mixed in, then we will put in the Italian seasoning. Now I've got 4 teaspoons of Italian seasoning in here, so I'm going to put all that in here. And with the turmeric, you'll need 1 teaspoon.
That's some animation right there.
That's right here. And again, I'm making a double batch, so you'll have to have half that. So I'm going to stir this up again and coat it really well. And now, after that, we will be putting in, well, you'll want to cook this for cook it and stir it for 2 more minutes. And so I put it on cook again. So I'll let this kind of make the flavors blend around a little bit more. Okay, so the rice is gone for 2 minutes, and I have been stirring it in the 2-minute time frame. So now we are going to add our chicken broth. This recipe calls for 2 cups, and since I'm doubling it, it usually would be 4 cups, but since I'm using the rice cooker, I'm just going to fill it up till it just covers above the rice. And if you want, you can add more water. If you don't have enough chicken broth, that's another way of doing it. So now I'm just going to put the lid on and push cook. And when it's done, it'll pop up to warm, and then it'll be ready. Okay, so the rice just clicked to warm setting, so that tells me it's done. So I'm going to take this off and take a look at it. And it looks really good. I can see what kind of rice that makes. Kind of fluff it a little bit. So that is how to make yellow rice.